Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Calls. I'm gonna unbox the charge mount from Nomad. Now I love Nomad gear. Some of the cords I have are some of the best cords. They make these cool little cases all on that, and they really focus on just a bunch of iPhone stuff. But we can take advantage of that because they make some mag mount. Mag mount. What do they call it? MagSafe. I guess they're official magnets that you can plug in and help with your wireless charging essentially. So this is a charge mount. Now this is a $90 charger for your phone, but honestly I gotta say something like this really changes the way I use my phone. The fact that I can just plop it on my charger uh, in between drives and etc. So this is really nice. So I'll show you what it looks like on the inside here. Let's cut this open. A little blade here. There we go. Got that open. See what's inside. Oh, we're gonna do the other side. So this will charge at 7.5 watts. So that's not fast for charging. But I mean, like, hey, if you got 20-minute drive to work, that's plenty of time to give it enough charge back and forth. All right. So box. There we go. Go through. What else is in here? That's the main thing. Let's just see what else is in there. Budget, cords and cables and whatnots. So again, I love their braided cords here. USB-C. USB-C. There is the little itty bitty. Come on, open up. I'm gonna do this, aren't I? I hate doing this to boxes. Oh, look how tiny that thing is. That is perfectly small. Perfect to sort of, hide away in a charger. That is so cute. Little holder so I can pull it out. That is awesomely small. So nice. Okay, and then we got some cord caddies, essentially little stickers. Put that down, and then that way that you can hold the cord in and worry about where it's going to sit around in your car. I'll play around with that. My wife has already claimed this, so interested to see how that's going to go. It's going to be in her car. But because I finally got her on using magnetic rings on her phone to charge, and she's like, "Oh, I like that. Real nice, handy feature." So here we go. So it is just going to be basically a vent mount. So there isn't any option to sort of stick it there. But yeah, you put that on your vent however you want to orient it. You're going to do, I don't know if you can, yeah, so if you adjust that, you can adjust how much it slides around, tighten that up, that ball joint there. There is your USB-C plug-in. That works. And then how well does it work? It's going to hold that phone on there. So that's going to be really handy. Again, like if you put it in your car, I was always scared that this was going to fall off, but I couldn't believe how well these little, like even this little Scotch ring holds it very nicely in place. And come on, that is a cute little charger. Yeah. So $90 from Nomad. Like I said, it feels expensive, but this is some real quality equipment. I gotta really say that Nomad makes some amazing stuff. So I'll put it together and I'll have a full review. If you have any questions, give me a shout. Thanks.